Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update drivers on HP ELITEBOOK 846. So to install the initial drivers for your computer, you have to go to the start menu, then open the settings, and then scroll all the way down the list on the left side of your window to Windows Update. Select Windows Update, and as you can see right here we have a bunch of available updates, but in order to check the driver updates you have to scroll down, then go to Advanced Options, and then here go to Optional Updates, and here you're gonna find the driver updates. So select the drivers that you have here, click Download and Install, and wait until they are downloaded and installed on your computer. Then you're probably gonna have to restart it either by clicking Restart Now here, or by going to Start menu, Power Options, and Update and Restart. Now if you want to update some drivers specific to your laptops which you cannot find using Windows Update feature, you're gonna have to, you don't really have to, but the easiest way to do this will be by installing the official HP software called HP Support Assistant. So in order to do this, you're gonna have to enter your browser, then go to the search engine, for example Google, and then we'll have to search for HP Support Assistant, and you're gonna find the official support.hp.com/USN help HP Support Assistant website that says HP Support Assistant. Just open it and scroll down until you find this icon which says Download HP Support Assistant 9. Click on it and wait until this program is installed, or this program is downloaded, and then we're gonna have to start it and set it up. So let's wait for a while it's downloading. After this file is downloaded, click on it to run it, and at this point you can close your browser. Of course, click yes on the following window, then click next once again, read and accept the license agreement to continue, and click next. Then you can either click next, or if you want to change the if you change the folder for this program, you can select change and select any other folder from your file explorer, then click next. And right now let's wait until the installation is complete. Okay, and once you see this window you can close it, and then let's start the application by running the icon on the desktop, or you can also search it up from the start menu, or just go to all and find HP Support Assistant right here. Then you're gonna have to sign in to your account. So just click create account /sign in, and then on the following page, here enter your username or email address, or sign in with mobile number instead by clicking right here, and then select either use password or send sign-in code. I'm gonna use the second option because it's more convenient for me right now, so I'm gonna use a code to sign in. I'm just gonna click sign in with the code, and then I'm gonna receive the email on this address, which has a code in it, which I'm gonna have to enter in this field. So right now, give me a moment. Okay, now let's sign in. Click open, and then wait until you are signed into your account. You can click yes or no depending on whether you want or do not want to use this program. Now you can choose to show contact and warranty options if you like, and share usage data if you want to. Then click yes, improve my experience, and after that you're gonna have to select, well, let's wait until this program starts up first, and then go to the third tab right here, select software and drivers. Okay, as you can see, Windows has a pending update. It's because we have been installing the essential updates and requires a restart. So let's restart this computer now, and let's return right back to that application once the operation is finished. So I'm gonna click restart now, and then so right now just wait until you see the following screen. Okay, so let's continue starting from here. Go to software and drivers, then let this application check for any available updates for your device. Let's see if it finds anything. And once it finds the available updates, you can select which drivers you want to download and install right now. Hit the checkbox next to the ones you want to install, or just select all if you want to download and install all the updates, and then click download and install, then confirm, and then just wait until the drivers are installed and updated. It's gonna take a while, but this process is fully automatic, so you don't have to even do anything in the process. And once this process is finished, you're probably gonna have to restart your computer once again to apply changes. So that's basically how you update drivers. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.